Hey everybody, as I said in my last video, today I'm going to break down my analysis, my top-down analysis for the coming week. So let's set a bias. As usual, let's start with dollar first, weekly time frame. So definitely bullish here in the weekly time frame, and price has already tapped the weekly bullish fair value gap, and it's kind of BPR because it has inverse fair value gap also getting inside that. And obviously internal to external should happen now, but looking at this tap and that close, probably we might come back again, probably, or we can directly go higher from here. I'll show you in a more clear way in daily time frame, because in daily time frame we have this daily bullish fair value gap here, right? Although it's not of the current trading range, but that will be a relative equal low here, right? So relative equal low here, so price might come lower from here and then go higher. Or if we go to 4 hour time frame, I'll show you in 4 hour time frame. So yeah, as I was saying, we can go tap this unmitigated daily fair value gap, or we have an inversion over here, so we might even tap this and then just go higher from here. So definitely I'm bullish on dollar, but from where can we go higher? To be honest, even from here we can go higher because of that breaker. From where we're going higher, that is a question, and probably I'll let alone Monday. I'll leave alone Monday and observe the price action. How is it closing? Then I'll get more clarity from Tuesday. So now I'll go to Euro USD. Same weekly time frame. I'm bearish here in weekly time frame, but in daily time frame I am bullish here, and we have these two fair value gaps. Let's go to 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, we have an inversion fair value gap in which price has tapped already. So we're definitely going with this low, but we need to see how we react over this low. If we close aggressively below this low, then obviously I'm bearish. I'm completely bearish, and I'll be looking for shorts from here to weekly external. So basically speaking, I am bearish here, but it would be great for tomorrow if we close below these lows. So that's the thing. Probably there might be a trade here, but today is a Monday, so I won't be taking any trades. So watch out for this for value up. Probably we might get some reaction from here, but today is a Monday, so I won't be taking any trades here. Now going back to gold, we are inside a weekly huge bearish for value gap. daily as well. We are inside one fair value gap, and we have already tapped another fair value gap. So I feel it's a no trading range for me. So better to wait for price to take out either side. More higher probability would be this than this. I would still say if something like this is happening, probably I'll look for continuation shots here towards these lows. So that is my bias over there. And NASDAQ US 100, I'm definitely bullish. I want these highs to get taken out, equal highs. Now let's go to daily time frame. Price has created a daily bullish fair value gap. Price has tapped into that. So two scenarios. From here, only one scenario that we are going higher. Let's go to 4 hour and I'll show you the another scenario. Over here we have made equal lows. So probably two scenarios here. We might go lower and then higher, or directly higher from here. So we'll be ready for both the scenarios here. So that's all my bias is. Dollar I am bullish, Euro I am bearish, gold I am bearish, US 100 I am bullish. So we'll see how far this analysis goes. If this analysis goes according to the plan, I'll take a trade from Tuesday onwards. If not, if I have to change my bias, I'll make another video and upload it here on YouTube, saying that I've changed my bias. So this is all about it. So good luck for your week. I'll see you guys in next video. See you. Bye bye.